Do you want to stand out in public speaking? So take some pain, guys. Take some pain to get up and start speaking in front of the real audience. Now, the question is, where is the real audience? Find it out. Find around 5 to 10 people in your office, at your home, in your friend circle, and start speaking to them. If you're not finding anybody, start speaking to the camera like this, right? So start making videos. So face the camera on a daily basis. Start speaking. So public speaking is speaking in front of the audience. When you're talking to the camera, imagine that the whole audience of 100 people, 200 people are listening to you. Yes, definitely when you're putting this video on social media, a lot of people are watching you, a lot of people are listening to you, right? So just if you are hesitant to put it in a public platform, just put it on your social media within your friend groups, right? So record yourself every day and practice public speaking every day. Now, if you have seen an athlete, he never complains that, okay, I cannot run beyond a certain limit. Today, if he has set a target of 3 kilometers within an hour, so tomorrow he stretches his limit and he keeps a target of 7 kilometers an hour. Similarly, as a public speaker, what you have to do, you have to set a target of 3 videos a week and then 7 videos a week, then 11 videos a week. So keep making videos. Now, again, if I tell you do public speaking daily, so you come up with an excuse all the time like, where is the platform? Where do I practice? Where do I perform? And where do I get the feedback? Come here, come to Speak Out Club, join the community, join us. Here you get a platform to practice and perform and practice and perform and practice and perform. So join Speak Out Club to learn public speaking.